We guide you through how to cancel a pending PayPal payment or subscription quickly and safely. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account on the app or website and go to Activity to find the pending payment you want to cancel. If it's one-time payment that hasn't been completed, click on it and select Cancel to stop the transaction before the money is sent. For subscriptions or recurring payments, go to Settings, tap Payments, then select Manage Automatic Payments. Choose the subscription you want to cancel and click Cancel or turn off automatic payments. Confirm your choice, and PayPal will stop charging your account for the subscription moving forward. Keep in mind that canceling a pending payment or subscription does not automatically refund any money already sent. So, you may need to request a refund if needed.